notice that we have a magic number in here. Num tries less than 3. Well, what if we wanted to change that num tries? What if we wanted to change that n value to something else? Well, we could easily add a parameter here. Let's say int allowable guesses. And then up here, we could actually specify a number. Let's say 5. And then down in here, instead of 3, we could just put allowable guesses. And each iteration of the loop, it's going to say, hey, is num tries currently less than the value of allowable guesses, which is 5. So if we run our program, please enter the password. Incorrect password. We didn't put anything in, so of course it's incorrect. Put in something else, put in something else, put in something else, put in something else. Eventually, we never got in because we went through 5 different tries and we were never successful. So this is a fully functioning working password program. Now we could actually eliminate this whole if access granted part. If you remember back from our switch statements, we covered a special keyword called the break statement, the break keyword. And essentially what the break statement does is it breaks out of the current control structure we're in. So instead of testing to see whether if access is granted here, we're just going to delete this. We're going to delete the closing bracket down here as well. And instead of doing this access granted equals true and then this else key part, right after this access granted equal true, we're just going to say break. So then it will never actually have to go through this whole process again. It will actually just break out of this for loop and then immediately go down into this part. So we'll try it again. We'll get the first password wrong, and now we'll get it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woot, access granted, and we're done. We didn't have to have any of that extra code just by using this break statement, because as soon as we got the correct password, we set access granted to true, and then we broke out of the control structure, which is the for loop, which then brought us back down to here, and it continued on exactly the way we wanted. So that is our for statement, how we set it up, how we use it, and how we can exit it early.